Which product will search on upcoming 2025 Canton Fair? The Canton Fair 2025 will feature a wide range products for across three main phases. Here's an overview of key products for you expect. Phase 1, April 15 to 19, 2025. Electronics and household appliance, smart device and home appliance, lighting equipments, LED and solar lights, vehicle and spare parts, vehicle and auto parts, machinery and hardware, industrial machinery and power supplies, building materials, door, windows, sanitary wares, chemicals and energy products. Phase 2, April 23 to 27, 2025. Home decoration and furniture, indoor and outdoor furniture, decoration items, kitchenware and tableware, cookware and kettle, gifts and premiums, festive items, promotional gifts, toys and kids products, educational gifts, baby gears, gardening and outdoor supplies. Phase 3, May 1 to 5, 2025. Textile and fabrics, garments materials, home textiles, bags, jewelry, scraps, sports and leisure products, fitness equipments and travel gears, office supplies and sanitary, medical device. What's the trending in 2025? Smart home and IoT device, eco-friendly and sustainable products, new energy and electrical vehicle components, AI and robotics in manufacturing, health and wellness tech. If you are looking for specific products, let me know. I will guide you for further information, and if you need more information, comment below.